We beam it all together, right?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's the whole man. Very nice.
Work. I don't know if it's actually. Oh.
Oh shit.
Yes, where?
Where we need to go. Pilgrim speak.
I think I hear one of them moving
He's
up.
right there, in front of you.
We're both cracked.
I couldn't get him. He went back.
Crack him. One's down and one's cracked.
I'm pushing up.
Oh, there's one right here.
I'm crawling inside here.
I'm popping his shoots. Oh, I got pushed on my left. He's on me, bro. Where are you going?
I killed one.
I'm pretty sure he's behind this. Yeah, he's here.
Yes, he's there.
There's two. There's fucking two.
Yeah, they
teammate.
res.
Got one.
He's in the building.
By that building. Want to team up?
I hope I can make it over this ridge.
Got him.
He's holding.
I got him. Oh
Yeah,
no.
go for Peter.
He's
Oh,
where-
Peter's
he
still
went
crawling
so far.
further.
Oh.
It's down. It's not for people. People probably came here.
I don't think we're in a good spot.
Don't die.
Let's go!
Nice.
I got it!
Oh. Head. He's down. He running towards us.
Yeah.
Go upstairs. Hit him. Keep crawling back if you're gonna go down. Tip tag.
Got him.
Get tagged.
Down. I gotta pop a shield.
That's mine. That's my fire.
I died.
Oh.
One died. Oh, he's looting him. I got one.
Nice. We got one here too.
Oh, he's
Oh, no! Watch out!
Sick turn.
Make ready!
He's like, I gotta get away from these guys. These guys are out.
Oh, I think I missed. Trying to get him.
My boy's lit.
Right here.
Right here, bro.
That's right. Here.
Coming in.
Big B, you monster.
Monster Frisbee, Big B.
He's in here.
Open the door and dive.
Wow, I just lost. Fuck me. Fuck. Dead.
Bitch!
Good shit.
Help me! I got one. I'm going in. Please jump down. I got the reload, brother. Never mind, they're all dead. They're coming. They're here. I'm on ping. Got him.
You failed the vibe check.
Oh, my bad, brother. My
You
bad.
failed the vibe check. You don't
My
get
bad,
the
brother.
presents. You're a bad. You've been knocked.
My bad, brother.
Bad.
Wait. I'm sorry, brother.
Or not. We just want free
You
shit.
just killed him.
It's okay, don't worry about it. Hey, man. Oh, my god.
Watch out!
Oh, thank you for that. Thank you for that.
Man, he just looked at the light like a fly, just waiting for it to shoot.
Someone's pushing me. Someone's pushing me.
Yeah, they're pushing Javi. They're pushing Javi.
Yo, whole team on. Bro, what the fuck?
One's low, one's low.
Over there. Forget it.
They might loop around us.
Knocked one.
Okay, I'm pushing up.
That guy was low as fuck.
Where at?
Yeah, land your shots, B.
I know. Keep him occupied. He's right there. He's pushing you.
Pretty low.
Good shit.
He's
You
down,
got
he's
him.
down.
Get me.
How do we? Where's the weak spot on this?
I don't know.
No.
I'm gonna
no weak
just
spot?
hit it with something hard. Hold up.
How hard?
Very. All right, let's go. Where? Ping?
Right there. I mean, do I throw my thing?
Jesus.
So this the sniper here.
Dude, Jesus Christ. Good shit. Yeah.
Yeah, hold up.
It's low. Oh! Yeah, there's people. Yeah, bro. I don't have heals for this. Yeah, across, like directly across.
Oh,
I don't see them anywhere.
I love not
There's
being
a
able to
leaper.
find them.
Oh!
Oh, snap! Yo, what is that, bro?
That's the gun Peter has. Peter, careful,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
they can see.
Follow me.
Oh, in front, right here.
Forget it.
Yeah, up top.
There.
Yep, I see him. Oh, Lord have mercy. What the? Behind me. Where's the audio?
What
I
the
got one.
fuck?
Nice. One right here.
I can't shoot.
To the left.
Oh, I didn't one clip that guy?
Watch me, I gotta heal up a
One
little
guy
bit.
dropped, one guy dropped.
Okay. Switch with me, B, switch with me.
You guys low?
Push that B.
I'm gonna get Peter.
Fuck me.
There's people here.
Ass.
There's three.
He's on the right, one's on the right at least. That's a right.
Behind.
I tagged him, Peter.
I killed one.
Got him.
Nice. You got this guy too? Where's the last
Yeah,
guy?
I killed this guy right here.
Yeah, they are. The shredder's actually.
He's
helping
dead.
us
Get
right
back. I don't know what that is. Get back.
This gas,
now. It's fucking me up. I don't know
it
what
kills
it
your
is.
stamina. It kills your stamina. Right here.
It's right here.
Call it.
Where's the thing? What are you shooting? Oh lord.
B, you're good.
Yeah?
In the train, in the train!
Get in! We're over here!
Train!
Get us out! Get us out! Stop the thing quick! I don't wanna die!
Call it,
Get in, Peter, get in!
Call it, Peter, call it.
Yes!
It wasn't even me, it was one of their teammates.
I'm dead.